later. We're just, it's the weekend after probably what you've just seen on the vlog. We're doing some tidying, but we're still doing stuff on Rocky. Zoe and Ruben are just there for the minute.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning, Roo.
Say good morning, Roo.
Say good morning, babe.
Yeah. So we're going to go into Rocky. There's a few final bits. I've got to get the fridge out again, which I'm not looking forward to. I spoke to Dometic about me still not being able to get the gas on. They reckon there could be an issue with the bits at the top with the gas valve and so on, so I've got to get it back out again, have a look at that. If I can't get that sorted, it's going off to one of the workshops that's close to us to let them have a go, because I'm not a gas person. I'm always a little bit dubious about me doing gas, but this is more of electrical, and I need to get up there, clean all the contacts, check the wires are all good. If they are, we put it back in, it still doesn't work, then I'm going to send it off. So yeah. Oh, and there's Ralph. Woof. Oh, what? Yeah, he's outside for now. It is a bit cold out there, but he's a dog. Yeah, so we'll see you when we get the fridge out. Yeah.
One winner later.
Sorry about that, the camera turned itself off for some reason. Yeah, so I put the MPPT controller on down there, which you saw earlier on, and with the new, just with the 80-watt panel that we've got on the roof, it's actually kept the batteries, and we haven't had great sun. It's actually, so it does show that if you're going to get solar in here, don't just go with the normal controller, go with an MPPT, because it actually is smart and it's actually held the batteries, which I've been really amazed about. So what I'm doing now is, because we've got this down here, it's only rested, so I'm now going to try and fit this and screw it into the actual back panel right there. We're having real problems with the GoPro at the minute, so we will try again. So sorry if it keeps splitting out and the scene seems really weird, but right. So back to what I was doing. So I'm going to mount the Victron charger, which is the IP67. We decided to go for that as the money was a little bit more and it just seemed a bit of a better charger to go for. It's directly, as I say, linked into these two batteries, and at the minute it's charging, and I've got it on the regen because we had a lot of problems with the batteries. The two batteries, leisure batteries that were sat in this space have now gone. I've just taken one to the tip because it's not holding charge, so it was no good, and the second one is actually being reconditioned in the garage now on the trickle charger. So I'm going to get on and get this mounted up and get them screwed in, and we'll see you in a second.
It's got the right size drill bit.
It is the right size drill. That's the security way. Look, feel that.
See, Mrs. Tig can do a bit of DIY.
So we've got 3 screws in there, and another fourth. It is working nice, and this is nice area, look, just to keep it in. One of the things we've got to do eventually is I'm going to get a socket put in there so we can just leave the electric cable running. Obviously someone's oh, can't show you that. Someone might see where
This ladder.
Yeah. Zoe's going up onto the roof to see if we can start taking down the solar panel.
Oh my god.
What?
How dirty is it?
Yeah. And some people have come to join us. So one of the first.
You haven't got a small arm.
So one of the first jobs.
You haven't got a small arm than that.
Go and look for it.
It's, look at it. Let it from this side.
Yeah, what we need to do is I think you might be better off doing is sliding this under.
Why can't you? How would you put them in then? Just out of curiosity.
It's a rivet.
Right, explain now what that means to me.
It's like a pin that goes in, right?
Yeah.
And it's got like a shaft like that, and there's a collar, right? This end's like a nub, and it pulls this collar back, and then it snaps.
There's no obviously I understand that now, but is there a machine to get them out? Just out of curiosity.
You can drill them out. I can drill them out if you want to drill them out.
Would that save us time?
But it's how we get the drill in, because like I can't get the drill in there, or if you're not worried about this panel, you just snap the panel.
Yeah, but these got to come out anyway, you said.
Yeah. So if we can get these two end ones, we can just try and lift the other thing.
Right, go and give me a smaller hammer. Take that one back with you. I'd rather do this side, and then there's only two, if you know what I mean.
Kind of.
Oh, don't worry about that a minute. Right. I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, so if you pop that side, is it going to... I just wanted to look under there. Just pop it with our screwdriver, lift it with that. Is it coming up?
Yeah, it's all up. It's off the do this one, basically.
This is a bit... Well, we can't be level, because this is obviously... It's all unwired, yeah?
Yes, those connectors there. Right.
Sorry?
You better pass it this way.
I'm going to try. I just don't want to start it. Right, easy now, I haven't got it off. So wait for me to get it off. Wait.
Yeah, hang on.
I don't want to hurt yourself, Joe. I haven't got it yet.
Ready? That's it.
Got it.
It's not that heavy.
Oh my god.
And this is the... Yeah, I need to take this off. Parked him up though. Don't worry too much, you're worrying too much.
I'll just chuck them off.
Yeah, all that can come off. Well, it doesn't have to.
No.
I kind of think I know what you're on about.
Joe, that was my face.
Sorry, well it just popped. Sealant,
Yeah.
the sealant. Ruben, Tig.
Wait, I'm watching you.
So I'm like, all...
Got to go up below them now. So guys, we are just gonna trying to get water in the hose pipe. Here we go. To clean off.
You should have it. So this is Rocky again. He's had a few upgrades and we're still carrying on. Zoe's up there.
Be a bad idea to shut the skylight just in case.
Yeah. Right. So I'm going to shut this out as I was talking to Zoe. Right. So, Ruben's just chilling in there, and then she's cleaning. Right, we're going to get on with this cleaning and we'll come back to you in a minute. Right, back. Connor's here now. You might remember him if you've seen our other vlogs where you get every time. Zoe will show you what we're getting up to up there if I pass her up. Right, so
I've done most of the work, guys. These are just shirkers. You know, they think they know what they're doing and they don't.
Right. Yes, no, if you put your ladder past the wire there, that's it. And I'll put my one here. Yeah.
I'm just going to see now how we've mostly cleaned it all off and tidied up. I'm praying that this panel is not too big. because this is the space that we have here. And Mr. Tig is renowned for measuring stuff too big. So we'll see now, and then you can see how big the panel is. But thankfully it's a lovely sunny day. 4 or 5 minutes. We haven't been affected by Storm Irwin. And here they come. Oh, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. So
Ralph's inside now.
Alright.
Ready?
Hang on, if we just lift it up,
Yeah.
right, good.
Right, hang on. Right, the drill be in the way. Right,
Put
hang
it down
on.
a minute.
Missed my foot. Right, that's why you need to come here.
I don't want to put it all the way down. Hang on, you've got my fingers.
Yeah, no, it'd be this stuff.
Yeah, it's black.
Alright. Yeah, you can get that in black, so. Well, right, again, so we've got the solar panel on. And it fits! Ye of little faith in Mrs. Tig.
I already told him.
Right, so next job is, Connor's up here, we're going to get these brackets and we're going to put Sikaflex 522 on the bottom of all these.
The wires are.
And then, yeah, the wires are just there. And then we're going to use some tech screws. They're only like a 20mm tech screw, screw it into the roof, and that's the solar panel installed. Right, so we've just about finished. The roof is done, the solar panel is on. So it fits just snugly between the two not the skylights, that's the word I'm looking for. And what I've got to do is I had to get rid of the wind deflector on there, but my feeling is if there's no wind deflector there, it doesn't matter because the solar panel covers that. So basically we've tech screwed this down with 20mm tech screws, and it's got some Sikaflex 522 on it. Ralph is saying hello.
You scaredy cat.
Right, so this is it. I've now gone and tested this on the Victron, and I can see the voltage coming through. This is where it comes in, so we've got that. I'm going to kick down off here anyway because they're rocking and rolling, but we've got a lot to do in the summer to get a lot of this silicon off because there's a lot of it and I'm not too happy with it. We've filled most of the holes that we can see, so hopefully that will solve any like leakage problems. And there's donuts going on. Right, I'll see you in the next bit. Whew. End of the day. So we've done all of the bits on Rocky. The only thing left to do we've got is the fridge, and I'm not going to attempt that. I'm actually sending it off to our local service centre, let them deal with it. It seems to be a problem now that we can't get the gas to stay alight. Like, I just had it where it did stay alight and it seemed to have worked, but I've now got an issue where I can't get it to light. It just seems to go on and then not want to stay on. I don't think it's a thermocouple problem. I think there must be something wrong with the electrics and so on the top around the gas valve. And that's a bit beyond me. They're accredited down there, so we can get them to do it. So coming up in the next few vlogs, we've got some more adventures out in Rocky. We're going to probably try and go and try a spot over in the Brecon Beacons where they do wood fire pizza from a van, so we're going to try that and have a day trip, so you may see that on the next vlog. But if not, thank you very much for watching today. And you know what to do: like, click and subscribe and knock that notification bell, and I'll tell you when we're putting more vlogs up. And stay tuned because there is more coming. Sorry it took so long to do these ones, but we'll see you on the next one.